In this video I'm going to explain to you how I calculate the iClicker points in this class. So in Compass you're going to see a bunch of dates, and those are the dates in which the iClickers points are assigned, and next to it you're going to see a number, right? Your grade. Now your grade usually, let's say for 2, 5, 13, you're usually going to have something like this, and the X is your grade that day. Now there's two parts of this. There's two type of bonus from iClickers. A bonus points that goes into your final grade, and a bonus points that goes into the exam, participation points. Let's talk about the one that goes into your final grade. That's going to be, in this case, the 600, the whole number in the denominator here. So that's going to be the iClicker bonus for the final grade. So this is a final grade points that day. So for instance, if you score, if your X, your score was 600, well, that day you earned 100% of the points that I awarded that day. On the other hand, if instead of 600, the maximum, you got something different, let's say you got 500 points only, you answer only 5 questions, then that day you actually got about 83% of the bonus points for your final grade that day, and so forth and so forth. Now at the end of the semester, if you got 100% on all of the days, you will get a bonus point of 1 full percentage point of your final grade. Let's say that your final grade ends up being something like 89%, which usually is a B+, and you came to all the iClickers and you get 100% in every day, you will get in the class, instead of 89%, I will give you 90%, and you will get an A-. So the maximum points you can get in a semester is 1%, and that is you get 100% in every day. So in this case, you didn't get 100%, so you're not going to be able to get the 1% bonus points, but you're probably going to get something between 0 and 1, depending on what percentage of the points you got every day. Right? So at the end of the semester, you can add all the percentages you have, and that will give you the percentage point of the 1%. Right? So if from the total numbers of clicker points in the whole semester, you end up getting 50%, then you will get, instead of 1 point, you will get half a point in the final grade. Now remember that the way these points are awarded is every correct answer awards you 100 points, and every incorrect answer gives you a bonus of 75 points. So you always get a bonus from answering questions, but you get a little more if you actually answer a question correctly. If you answer a question correctly in class, you get 100 points, and if you answer a question incorrectly in class, you get 75 points. All of those are bonus points, but the 600 represents the maximum points you can get if you answer all the questions correctly. Now the second part of the bonus points, and these are participation points that are given not in all the class, but in most of the classes. I'll give you some bonus points if people answer a particular question correctly, more than 80% and so forth. That's going to be the decimal in the denominator. So in this case, this day, I gave all of the people who answered questions, so that were attending in class, a 0.25, and this is going to be a bonus for the exam, for your exam grade. So usually it comes to, I usually give between 0.25 and 0.50 in almost every class. So by the time the exam comes, if you actually have been in class every day, you probably get between 2 and 3 points for the exam. So if your exam score ends up being something like 90, then and you get 3 bonus points from all your participation, I will add those 3 points, and your exam grade is going to end up being 93. So that's your exam grade. And I will, that you can drop your lowest grade at the end of the semester. So I will not add points to the grade you drop. I will add the points to the other 2 exams that you actually use. And it doesn't matter which exam I added, because both exams are worth the same for your final grade. So this is how I calculate the iClicker points in this class. I know it's a little complicated, but this is a way that we have to do it given the limitations of the grade book that I have from iClicker. Just remember that iClickers are just bonus points. You're not required to do the iClickers, but if you do answer the iClicker questions, you will always get some bonus.